Hi, my name is Bjorn Voitel. I am the CEO of Next Academy based in Germany. I am an EC Council certified instructor. If you achieve the CCT, you should be well prepared to also take the Security Plus, for example, without any additional preparation. Also, if you would like to go on after the CCT, for example, with the CEH, CMD, CSA or CHFI, then you will also find some of the materials overlapping there. So this is also a very good preparation for the other exams.
EC Council is pledging a $3.5 million CCT scholarship for cybersecurity career starters. Scan the QR code on the screen to apply for the scholarship. Fill out the form.